Sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele and welcome to the Starting 11. Bafethu, this is our new channel esiqeda kuyenza. This is all about soccer, Mzansi football. So bafethu sobe si-analyze ama-games, sinika ama-interviews, ama-prediction, line-up, everything nje eyenzakalayo la eMzansi ngebhola laseMzansi. So okwamanje will be based sizogxila kakhulu kuma big teams. You know the big three, Soweto Boys and the Klerkop. So neBafana Bafana, yeah. So njengamanje eduze kwami ngime noSibuda Libuda, Sibuda kwama jokes. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Safika kanjani?
Hayi siyaphila. Ngicela ubingelela abalaleli ekhaya uba welcome kwi-channel yethu.
Yanibingelela nonke abalaleli. Usibusiso lo aka Sibuda Libuda. Siyanamukela kwi-channel yethu brand new Starting 11. Sizobe si-analyze ibhola lalapha eMzansi. Sithemba ukuthi nizokuthokozela esiniphathele kona namuhla
Esikuphakayo. Okay. Bafethu namhlanje i-19 January 2026. Njengamanje igame eqeda kudlala iSundowns neOrbit College. So mfethu uyibuke kanjani igame?
Ngiyibukile igame namhlanje ngoba iqeda kudlala. Kodwa ngisacela ukuthi ngithathe leli thuba ke ngibongele ucoach wala eMzansi Osmel ezweni lase-Algeria kwi-cup ebeqala nqa ukukhompyutha kuyona
Amkwena Super Cup, yeah. MC Alger, okay. Ya siyabonga kuRulani Mkwena. Akhumbula uPeter wakwasho wathi uRulani uzoba better than him.
Kona sekuya ngamagama enkehle uma ngithatha ukubheka ngazi noma sekunjalo yini.
Hayi ngathi kuyela ngalapha impela. Kuyela ngalapha impela. No wonder why wamthatha wambuyisa kwi-Pirates wathosa la. So ushuthi kuningi ayekubone kumfana kuyena phela ngoba kuyena umfana.
Yeah, kona kukhona kubonile. Yeah, igame ke le namhlanje Orbit College versus iMamelodi Sundowns.
Oh okay, sorry ukungena emadevini. Oh nenye ilokhunje Senegal ishaya eMorocco. Kuningi okwenzakalile kwifinal.
Kuningi okwenzakalile kwiMorocco neSenegal.
Showcase.
Futhi kakhulukazi le yaphathi leyana kuba umdlali ebhokisini uHakim. Mina ngazi ukuthi uma kuyikhona uyabheka nebhola ukuthi lilendaphi.
Showcase.
Umdlali kodwa leya interaction angisithathanga kahle isinqumo sikareferee disallow leya goal. Kanti umdali uzoba nayo iSenegal. Penalty yagejwa ngale.
Panic.
Ilokhujana eMorocco. Kanti lizongena ngaphi igoli yaphanishwa. Umdlalo waphela top notch yabuya nayo. uSergio Mano bebemphakamisile ephethindebe well deserved.
Yeah ne. Ake singeneni emidlalweni namhlanje Sundowns versus Orbit College ama reigning champions Betway Premiership plus na abantu abaqeda kupromote omakoti.
Yeah, iperformile ilokhojana iOrbit College idlalile ngokwezinga layo. Idlalile ibhola
ngokwezinga layo. What do you mean?
Ngokwezinga layo iperformile.
Oh yeah.
Iperformance ayikwazanga ukuthi
imatch yeSundowns.
yeSundowns. Because leli gama leli uma ngabe umafikizolo PSL usindwa yilo.
Showcase.
Inde futhi ushawe nayilo koja iexperience. Bazamile lapha nokuthi othulani ngawabona ama-shot bashawe yini i-experience lapha na kwi-Sundowns. Ngiyithandile indlela ucoach aluleke ngabo abadlali ukuthi ufisa ukuthola i-clean sheet. Neti uhlule ukukhetha i-team azogcina i-clean sheet coach we-Orbit College.
He was approaching igame ngokuthi ufuna i-clean sheet.
Yeah. Emva kwe-starting 11 umdlalo wokuqala ithi kuke kwaba nophazamiseka kwamalayi.
I think it was 20 minutes or something.
Kusho ukuthi kulapho khona abakhulume nabo ngoba bekungakangeni igoli.
Yeah.
Uthi hayi sobe sisebenzile bafana uma ngabe sigcine i-clean sheet against i-Sundowns ngoba eyibona ukuthi yenzani ifake u-team B inempalakahlana yabadlali asebene-experience laphaya.
ya usakhuluma ngo-team B nje khona lo mfana lo hayibo futhi uyena uba usibinanga ukuba emveza ezilokho nje as a man of the match mina ngimangalile ukuthi hayibo lo mfana i-defender
uSibiya usimangazile kakhulu akatshengisanga ukuthi umuntu oqhamuka kwi-development uvele like umuntu obehlezi ebhentshini okhona ku-A we-Sundowns kanti cha udevelophiwe lo mfana wadlala ibhola wawadeliver ama-cross njengoba yazi uyafitha uyi-Sundowns player kuyasho kule nto ikuyona yena le nto yokuthi umdlali we-Sundowns ngendlela ube ne-assist mfana efika
showcase
ku-A ibimfanele ngempela lokhu njani man of the match engafisa ukuphawula nje futhi ngaye angaba isibonelo esihle kwabanye abadlali ngalabo badlali sebe bangama
uyistart
ethandwa
ucoach
yazi indlela enhle ngala ngaba i-role model enhle kanjani ngokuthi lo avume ukuthi angiyidlali kahle uma ibhola lapha Matthews lento esiyilinde
namanutha coach loyana
lento esiyilindele kuye akayenzi
sithola einganeni
so siyithola kubantu abaqalayo ukudlala naye bayaqala ukudlala naye bayam outperforma kodwa yena kade efikile la ku team A we-Sundowns if angazehlisa ayothi cha mfowethu ngicela nami ungicikise ungicobelele ulwazi ukuze ngifithe nami ngibe umdlali we-Sundowns
because akayona i-material e-Sundowns uMatthews
ngizokwazi ukuthi ngingadisappoint abalandeli ucoach akanendaba nento eyenziwa uMatthews but ababukeli abalandeli beSundowns banendaba ayikho into eyenzile ngeke mfethu ungabi nento eyithuyo nibonile wenzeni uMatthews
hayi mfethu ayingeke indaba kaMatthews ayi
azange shawo ukuthashi nokubona ngikushawulo nangu lo mdlali
uBrian uLeon lo ofikayo nje
lo ofikayo utshalile kamnandi igoli
quality
kwaba uthunile yagcineka i-clean sheet
but uMatthews udlale the whole 90 minutes
90 minutes
ayikho into abeyenze lo muntu lo
angiboni mangakho ama-shot on target or i-creative ayenzile laphana ayikho even i-artist ilokhu uthi i-assist ayizange ibe khona from yena igoli lokuqala that was a phenomenal goal
atasalis
Salis
going once going twice
okay uthi ngilitrebe ngibeke phansi ngi-10
that was brilliant
ulibonile liza phezulu and i-force ayi-aplayile ukushaya leya bhola ubonile ukuthi uma ngi-aplaya i-force enkulu lizohamba le bhola leqa amapala washaya ngepace e-right ukuthi lizo-riser but uma selifike eplanini likwazi ukuthi lilende kahle kube yigoli
I think futhi weekend futhi yakhe le I think mhlawumbe ushengo right
yika futhi yakhe le ashaye ngayo kwaba yigoli
so do you think ngoba vele nje kuyacaca namhlanje ukuthi bekudlala uTeam B weSundowns do you think uMatthews naye sekuTeam B noma nje bayamfaka nje as a starter
bayamfaka as a starter ngokuthandwa ucoach ngokuya kwami mina bekungaba umuntu okwi-starting lineup sasebenchini
showcase
abe ukuqala nje wabantu abazogada ibench
abe yi-substitute
mhlambe yango 80 minutes kanje azokwazi ukuthi abe nayo
75
ukuthi angiperforme ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngithole ijezi awukwazi ukuthi udlale kanjeyana udlalela i-team enkulu kanjeyana
ayaganga uMatthews even if finally last year Champions League uyena nje umuntu owageja uMatthews nje mina ngaye yabo nje kuthiwa support abadlali kodwa sothini phela enye into engicabanga ukuthi uKhadoso ayenzile ngokudlala uTeam B I think uba cautious ngokuthi uyodla iChampions League on Friday so I think uyaba rest abadlali
uzokwazi ukuthi abe nama team ayi2 kahle kahle if enye i-team ibidlala igame ye-league enye i-team fanele idlale i-Champions League if kukhona ku-team A i-player eba injured
yeah
njenge-right back ikhona i-substitute
yeah
or i-substitute ewuMatthews akekho ongasubstitute angaze ngabe mhlawumbe ka-goalkeeper ngoba simbona empaleni ukuthi umuntu ovimba kanjani mhlawumbe angafitha akalamtry yazi
mntwana mhlawumbe nokukhipha ngempela mhlawumbe uyadlala mhlawumbe nokukhipha
Mzansi number 1 wala eMzansi
yeah wala eMzansi Cape Town
uRowan
ngathi umcwembe ejimini yey azothi umcwembu and futhi ngambona kwi-culling knockout ukuthi akaphuza azange okwawina man of the match azange afuna ukuthinta i-check because futhi I don't know noma i-Muslim mina futhi unama-habit right
yeah mhlawumbe uyi-leading goal scorer kwi-practice ejimini
eyi umfowethu
ball work mhlambe ucoach ubuka la ukuthi performance
uyathembisa noma afike edlale ejimini yabo nje mhlawumbe lisasa ngoba kuyi-20 uzovele adlaleni athi coach ayingeke uzongena yabo i-upcoming promising player
and futhi kwi-second half uku-introduce kwamshishi egaming
shelela mshishi yashelela
yashintsha igame ya-attack ilokhujana i-Sundowns if bekungeyena uMatthews laphana mhlawumbe omunye umdlalo obukhali like mhlawumbe maybe uReynolds mhlawumbe i-Sundowns bingawina mhlawumbe from first half if bekungeyena uMatthews mhlawumbe i-score besisothi kuba ko-3-0
ulokhu nje uMotiba umrate kanjani igame yakhe
uMotiba ya udlalile kodwa hayi ngale ndlela leyo bekumele aperforme ngayo since yena phela engasiyo umuntu oqhamuka kwi-development fanele ngabe umuntu otshengisile ukuthi bafana this is how sidlala kanje kwi-Sundowns bathi ube naloko ukuthi hayi ngoba ngigqoke ijezi le-Sundowns ngizokwenza nje i-average ngendlela nje engezukuba nomsoco yeah nayo indlela engiyibone ngayo nakuyena
I think we come to the end of our analysis bafethu sizonibona kusasa bese kudlala iKaizer Chiefs idlala noManqoba Mnqithi iGolden Arrows ezophuthu bafethu please don't forget to follow us on Facebook Starting 11 YouTube Starting 11 so drop ama link lana simthanda nonke
also in TikTok siyatholakala ni subscribe lapha ku YouTube singakuthokozela i-support yenu kakhulu nama comments futhi enizoba nawo sizobona ukuthi okay ngiyake lapha nalapha nidingayo senze njengoba nishilo siyabonga
danke siyabonga